Welcome to October 2nd pre-market video. We have a lot of stuff to cover today, a different type of day than we had in the last few weeks. That's what we got yesterday actually. We got a very different type of action. Basically, when we look at the Dow right here, we have this slow established on March 6th, right? And then we have this trend that basically came back right here. People thought we were still in maybe a bear trap, you know, because the possibility was that we would just go back down and continue going back, you know, because this was a big resistance. Now we worked our way up to this point. This is a big resistance. I've been talking about that a long time. Now this is the special moment where we have to see if the market will go through it or will go back down or sideways. Now yesterday was really a key thing, a key moment, because we underscored, actually underscored, not a good word, but we went under this this support area I had mentioned, and when it broke, it just went very quick. So look at this other zone that I highlighted. This mark right here is based on this past resistance, okay, that could act as some support. And this is this pivot point, and you see this trading action and actually all of this. So I think we could look at the next reversal being in this area. Like I mentioned, this was on Thursday, Friday, Tuesday, Monday. We had this big reversal, then no follow through, and then it came back down. And under this point, this is a point where you could have shorted if you're a bit aggressive, because basically negate this green bar that was a reversal, you know, when you underscore a second day of red. And now we're down, and we can continue like that. And we'll see if there's any other resistance, any other support that will help, you know, bring the market back up. But it's not like the market doesn't deserve a break, right? It's been up since March, and it's been up almost 80% of the time if you start counting the bars, except maybe at the end of June, and even that was a smooth downside. So we have this, and it will coincide as well. I just want to show you that the market turn around in this zone, it will coincide with this trend line and probably the 50-day moving average. So it's possible that we stop just here as well, right? So we need to look at the reversal sign. That's what you will. That's what you want to see. Reversal sign in an area of support or a key location, if you want. Same thing on the QQQ. Okay, I could have drawn this as a support right here, or this as a support also. This zone. So we'll see. We just need to wait to see which area will really be the support area. Okay, still have the same trend as well. It will be a critical point if the market was to go down again, let's say today and Monday, and it would crack this, then that could be you know, that can be the exit for many people. But at the same point, that could act as the support. So you need to understand that it can be both ways. And sometime when a big trend line like that is broken, the one here, you have to understand a lot of people are expecting it to support. So if it's broken, it just accelerate the downslide. So let's look at some of the stock now. EDWY just pulling back, trying to come back a bit smoother because it was a steep drop, going back to the entry point almost. So we'll see if we can find a way to re-enter that trade if it consolidates properly and there's another reversal sign. But right now we're not in, and just watching. KNDR, very nice, smooth pull back, just slowly. I've been picking up some yesterday. No sweat for me. It's a longer term type trade, and I think we can score a lot. We have a big cushion on it on KNDR. WTAR, about the same thing. I like what it's doing right now. It's definitely perking up, and not on big volume, but still, you know, it's like after a big push like this, I guess the big investor that want to get in that stock are just waiting for it to stabilize a bit. So that's, I think we want to play on the side of the big money, right? So that's what I'm doing right now, just nibbling a bit, you know, buying some here and there, building up a position, so when the next move happens, we're already in. And that's what you want to do. GETA, and as well on WTAR, just let me comment, you want to see as well when we get a proper signal with big volume, big push coming in. Okay, GETA is